Namaste and welcome to another session on Cosmic Torch. In this session, I'm going to share a stotram. I'm going to recite a stotram which will help you get rid of all your loans. This is Rina Vimochana Shri Nrisimha Stotram. You first have the Dhyana Shlokam, followed by that you have the stotram. The stotram is very quick in its action. I mean, you will reap the benefits of reciting this stotram in a very short period of time, and you'll be surprised to see the results. I've seen many who have implemented on this, and those who were drowned, till almost till neck in debts, they could clear their loans very fast reciting this stotram. But you have to do it with that faith and devotion. Then you can reap the results. So this is a stotram which is easy to recite because every shlokam has got a one line which keeps repeating every time. So in every shlokam there is only one line which is to be newly learnt. And this is a short stotram. Once you learn it, it won't take you even 2 minutes to recite it. So you can make it practice to recite it every day, at least till you get rid of all your loans. So this is believed to bless you with abundance and prosperity. First clearing all your loans and then blessing you with abundance. So listen to the stotram. You can download this from Stotra Nidhi. That is where I am following the script from. You can note it down and every day you can recite. You first have the Dhyana Shlokam, followed by that you will have the Stotram. First is the Dhyanam. Vagisha yasya vadane lakshmiryasya cha vakshasi yasyaste hridaye samvittam nrisimhamaham bhaje atha stotram devata karya siddhyartham sabhastamba samudbhavam shri nrisimham mahaviram नमामि ऋणमुक्तये लक्ष्म्यालिङ्गितवामाङ्कं भक्तानां वरदायकं श्रीनृसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये आन्त्रमालाधरं शङ्खं चक्राब्जायुधधारिणं श्रीनृसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये स्मरणात् सर्वपापघ्नं कद्रूजविषनाशनं श्रीनृसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये सिंहनादेन महता दिग्विदिग्भयनाशनं श्रीनृसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये प्रह्लादवरदश्रीशं दैत्येश्वरविदारणं श्रीनृसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये क्रूरग्रहैः पीडितानां भक्तानामभयप्रदं श्रीनृसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये वेदवेदान्तयज्ञेशं ब्रह्मरुद्रादिवन्दितं श्रीनृसिंहं महावीरं नमामि ऋणमुक्तये इत्थं यः पठते नित्यं ऋणमोचनसिद्धये अनृणो जायते शीघ्रं धनं विपुलमाप्नुयात् सर्वसिद्धिप्रदं नृणां सर्वैश्वर्यप्रदायकं तस्मात् सर्वप्रयत्नेन पठेत् स्तोत्रमिदं सदा. इति श्री नृसिंह पुराणे ऋणमोचन श्री नृसिंह स्तोत्र. So please do recite this and reap the benefits and let me know the results that you reap. For any queries regarding any horoscope analysis, you can get in touch with me. Thanks for watching.